Hello guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are talking about a brand new product from Ulefone, the Armor Mini 23 Pro. If you are looking for a rugged smartphone that's a small but packed with cool features, you are going to want to stick around for this one. The Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro is the smallest rugged smartphone Ulefone has ever made, featuring a 4.7-inch 90Hz refresh rate HD display. With its compact size, just slightly bigger than a pack of cigarettes. Despite its small size, it's powerful under the hood thanks to the Dimensity 6300 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of internal storage with an option for expandable storage of dual SIM support. For camera enthusiasts, the phone doesn't disappoint. You get a 32MP front-facing camera, while on the back there is a 50MP Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor, but the standout feature is a built-in thermal camera, which can be game changer in various situations. Surrounding the rear camera is unique array of 130 LEDs, 102 white for a 500 lumen flashlight, and 14 each of red and blue lights for emergencies. As expected from a rugged phone, the Armor Mini 23 Pro is built to withstand extreme conditions. With the IP68 and IP69K ratings, it's resistant to dust, water, high pressure water jets, and can survive drops. It also performs well in extreme temperatures, making it a great option for outdoor adventures or workers in tough environments. Power this beast is a 6200mAh battery with a 33W wireless charging and a 50W wireless charging. Additional features include NFC and infrared blaster, FM radio, and Android 14 out of the box. If you are impressed by this unique look, great features and capabilities of this Armor Mini 23 Pro, and I know you are after this preview, don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below this video, so act quickly and get your brand new Armor Mini 23 Pro today while you have a chance. Thank you for watching, and feel free for click like if you like the video, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.